packing up right now. All I have packed right now is one t-shirt and part of a Halloween costume, so you know we're doing really well. And she's keeping me company. Hey. What? I don't know what that was, but it smelled like chocolate. So today is move-in day. I am currently like an hour and a half behind, but it's fine. Goodbye, house. See you in a few months. Woo, go. Let go. So I made it. I am here. I'm ready to move in. My mom is still 45 minutes behind me because she drives slow and stops to pee a lot. But I just got my keys. I'm ready to go in. I think I'm gonna bring in my cooler first. I'm sweating. This is disgusting. So I just brought this all in so I could take it from there and put it in my room. But yeah, I'm just gonna go put it in my room. This one's too heavy, so this is how we step in, ladies. Hey guys. This is one of my roommates, Talia. You should have seen her in my FSU vlog. Sweating again, but do you see that? I just put in all these wonderful clothes, but this is what my room looks like right now. So my hair's a mess, but as you see, I have like most of my stuff moved in, but I'm picking up my third roommate, my friend Mila, and so I'm just on my way to the airport to pick her up. So that's that. Yay, bye. I love you, Mila.
Wait, I don't want to get dirty right off the bat.
Wow.
Oh my god, are you vlogging this?
I love it. I swear to God, I'm literally gonna kill you. Okay, so the date has changed now. We've been here for 3 days. Mila still does not know what she wants. Let's get this bread, ladies. Do you want Jewish bread? In spirit of your roommates? Of course they're stocked on the infant formula. Thank God. Huh? I think it's time to leave. The next morning. Say this is the fit of the day. Not really. I'm gonna shower, I promise, but almost done. This has just like been so much fake progress for the past like 20 hours. I did unpacking a few things, so like there are the bags. I have like my diffuser, the oils, some sticky tack, some sheets, but I'm gonna try and take everything off up here so that I can try and see if it fits there, and I'm gonna be so sad if it doesn't fit. Guys, I could not be happier. It fit. I'm so happy. The room looks so much bigger now. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but I still have to break this down. This will fit under my bed, so I'm gonna get rid of this, and then I still gotta get this all unpacked. But, and this is probably something I should have thought of before I moved in all my stuff, but I'm just gonna wipe down all the surfaces now because I'm really good at this whole moving in thing. Oh my God, there's so much dust. Ugh. And I'm just putting this little basket here to, number one, hold the books, and number two, to just hold like school supplies and stuff. My OOTD, it looks so cool with the blinds. My top is from Topshop. These leggings are from TJ Maxx. And then these puppies are just Nike Air Forces. So I'm back with my mom. We're going to get lunch. We're gonna meet my sister. And then I'm gonna maybe go plant shopping. And then I'm gonna say goodbye to my mom until maybe Thanksgiving. Hey guys, subscribe to my mom's ASMR channel. really shaping up around here. I got some plants and I have a job interview in an hour. So I'm basically like 90% done with my room, so I thought I'd show you guys. See, when you walk in, I'm definitely not done decorating in the slightest. I have my diffuser going. I love it. It smells like peppermint and lavender in here. But here's just an overview. I'm gonna be doing a full room tour. The desk area is just the area I really haven't dealt with yet. My closet, and then my bathroom and the vanity is basically done. So yeah. What am I doing? I need to go.